In a recession, which we're in right now, everybody is sure that their service is great, and they're going to back up that surety with a 25, a 50%, a 75% discount. Doesn't work, okay? But when we say things like, would it make sense to do that? And, I'm not even sure I'm not at this point, knowing what I know, I'd want to ask you a couple more questions, but based on kind of the numbers and what we're seeing in the industry, this might be something that could really help you guys. Are you against maybe just scheduling a more formal time where we could sit down, I could learn a little bit about your current situation, and at that point, together we could determine whether or not it makes sense to move forward. Now all of a sudden you're a bright light, a shining light, a non-salesy light of somebody that might have something for them that is really impactful, but we got to have a dialogue first, right? The same way like anybody who's had a successful marriage or relationship or friendship, whatever it is, how do those start organically? They don't start with, oh my gosh, we gotta go out, this is so great, you gotta go out with me. I drive a Corvette. Right, sorry, no disrespect if any of you guys have Corvettes. I'm just making fun of the guy from the movies with the Corvette that's always trying to get the chicks, right? It's always like, oh my gosh, did you, I saw your Patriot, did you happen to grow up in Boston? Yeah, I did. My mom's Southie. She's from South Boston. What part were you guys? Oh, that's interesting. Oh my gosh. You build commonality. You get that other person to lean in. That's how great relationships are kicked off.